Katie. Welcome back to my channel if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you how I bleach dyed my biker shorts. I am obsessed with them. So cute. And yeah, let's just get into it. I have this little bottle from Old Tie-Dye that I'm going to put the bleach stuff in. Got my bleach. Got my biker shorts. And I got my rubber bands. We're doing this in the bathtub for obvious reasons. We don't want to splash anywhere. Also, I'm wearing these clothes because I don't care about them. So let's just get into it. I'm going to zoom you in. Okay, so first thing we want to do is wet the shorts. Okay, yeah. Cool. Now I'm gonna use my rubber bands to like do the crumple dye. So I'm just gonna be going like this. Not gonna lie, I'm not really super positive on how to do this. This will be fine. I'll put another one on there. Make sure here that it's all like together. Actually, I'm gonna put another one. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Next, I'm gonna fill this little bottle half with bleach and half with water. So let's do that. Okay. Cool, and then I'm gonna shake her up. I'm gonna find some gloves before I start doing this. Okay, so now I have gloves. So let's do those. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm just gonna go for it, honestly. So let's do it. I'm just gonna use the whole bottle because what else am I gonna do with this? Cool. So now I'm gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes and then I'll come rinse it out. Okay, so it's been like 4 minutes and as you can see it's pretty orange already. So let's rinse it out. Let's take off these. Oh, these kind of look sick. I'm not even gonna lie about it. These are kind of fire. So that's what they're looking like. Those are so cool. Okay, let's rinse that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put them in a bucket and go wash them, but this is what they look like. Okay, so they've been like washed and cleaned, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm filming this like a week later, so there's some scratches on my legs, and I'll explain that in the next video. But this is how they turned out. I'm obsessed with them. Look at that. So I'm just wearing them with a black tank. They're so cute. I styled them like this right here, and that picture should be up on my Instagram by now, so definitely go check that out. But yeah. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. Comment down below if you tried this out. Also, I want to see your clothes that you bleach dyed, so definitely like tag me in some pictures of your bleach dye creations, and see you next time.